Hey, what's up you guys? It's Amanda, and honestly I don't know what got into me. We all know that my makeup videos turn into a disaster most of the time, so I decided to just keep things simple today. Maybe it's the cold weather, I don't know, but I just got really inspired into doing this look that I've been absolutely in love with for couple of months now. Like, I've been doing this every single time I have to step out of the house or something. I'm just not in the mood to do other looks other than this one. And no, like, I just really love the colors, probably because even if I don't have fall here in the Philippines, I just like fall colors that much. And the thing is, for this one I got this really cool 150 pesos thing palette, I think, in the drugstore last December, and I have been using it since because it gives hella pigment for the cost, and it has a really gorgeous copper color that I like. So this is the palette right here. This is the Everbelena pink palette, and that I love that kind of copper shade right there. So I've been using this palette ever since. Just love that copper color. Before that I'm using this Pixie one, so that color right there, which is also a nice soft shade of copper right here. I don't know why I'm getting giddy, but yeah. So enough of my blabber and anything like that. Let's just get right down into it. And this is how I do this soft copper monochrome look. So first I'm gonna go in with some moisturizer. Now this also has pollution protect, so if it's perfect for like when you plan to spend a day outside, out in the city. And I'm gonna go with primer. I really like how a dewy skin finish thing looks. What the heck am I even saying? Makeup look, I don't really like matte looks. Even if I do have like an oily T-zone and stuff, I still want it to look really nice and dewy and fresh and all of those things. My base, I'm gonna combine these two just to change things up a bit, because I feel like every time I do a makeup thing here on my channel, I use the same product over and over again, so let's not do that here. Just gonna go on with my usual concealer. Just gonna warm up my face a bit by using this eyeshadow palette as bronzer or contour or whatever. Now I've been into really just soft brows recently, so I'm gonna go in the same palette and just gonna use the powder in the middle, the same shade that I used to sort of like warm up my face a bit, and just gonna shade my brows on top of it to fill in some gaps. Yeah, let's just go with that. For the eyes, I'm really loving like copper for my eyes for how many months now, and I don't know, like, it's just one of the eyeshadow looks that I lean towards whenever I just can't be bothered to think of what to do with my eyes or anything like that. On some days when I'm feeling experimental, I'm gonna switch up some eyeshadow colors, but most days I just can't be bothered and just go with copper. So what I usually do is I mix these two colors right here, so this one and this one from this palette. Just create some sort of like a halo, like from the crease to outside of my eyeball sockets, then that down here. And then, being the expert that I am, I sort of just blend that with my finger. For the rest of it, I'm gonna go with this palette right here, which I like the pigments. I'm not really into the whole I need a matte shadow kind of thing on my eyeshadow palette, so these are all shimmers except for the white there that I wouldn't really use at all. But so far I like the shimmer shades, I like all of them. But for the copper tone, I really use like this one right here. And what did I do is just get my finger. That color is really nice. And it's really soft too, so that's kind of cool. And then I just like brush that all over my lids. Now, if I'm feeling a bit, you know, in the mood to extend this look a bit further, I usually just use this two-way eyeliner and eyebrow pencil that I got from Miniso. And what I do is I just use the eyeliner side to create a wing. Are they even? Eh. Now again, if I just can't be bothered with taking out waterproof mascara at the end of the day, I usually just go with this Heroin Make mascara, which I think is the only mascara that I own that isn't waterproof. And yeah, I mean, it does the job, and at the same time, like a few swipes of micellar water or my usual oil cleanser does the trick with it. Now, since we're going for a nice soft coppery shade, I'm gonna combine this and this blush. And yeah, just gonna go ham with it because I really like blushes. For the lips, I'm gonna combine these two lip colors right here. So this one has like that metallic finish to it, but still very wearable. Then this one is just your typical, you know, brown nude type of color. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching it. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel and you would want to hear more from me, please hit subscribe. One of my things for this year is to probably create more makeup videos that actually make sense, unlike my past ones. But who knows? Who knows? Never know, really. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you again soon in a new video. Bye!